English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. Watch this video to the end to improve your English fast. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills.
Speak English.
Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand. Hey, Jake, can you give me a hand with these boxes? They're really heavy.
Sure, where do you want them?
Just put them on the table. I'm trying to clean the room.
No problem. What's inside?
Old books and clothes. I want to donate them.
That's a great idea. Do you need help taking them to the car?
Yes, please. That would be great.
All right, let's do it together.
Thanks, Jake. You're really helpful.
Anytime. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
Give me a hand. Help me to do something.
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand.
Example. Can you give me a hand with my homework? Donate. To give something to help others.
Donate.
Hello. Hi. Donate.
You donated blood. Donate money.
Donation box.
Example. Lisa wants to donate her old clothes to poor people. That would be great. A polite way to say, yes, I like that idea.
That would be great, but...
That would be great.
That'd be great.
That would be great. That would be great.
Yeah, that would be great.
Example. Do you want to go to the park? Yes, that would be great.
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So, watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud.
Hey, Jake, can you give me a hand with these boxes?
Did Emma ask Jake to help her with the chairs? No, she didn't ask Jake to help her with the chairs. Did Emma ask Jake to help her with the boxes? Yes, she asked Jake to help her with the boxes. Did she say to Jake, "Can you give me a leg?" No, she didn't. She didn't say, "Can you give me a leg?" What did she say to Jake to ask for his help? She said, "Can you give me a hand?" What did Emma ask Jake to do? She asked him to give her a hand with the boxes.
They're really heavy.
Were the boxes light? No, they weren't. They were really heavy. Sure, where do you want them? Did Jake refuse to help Emma? No, he didn't. He helped her. What did Jake ask Emma after agreeing to help? He asked her where she wanted the boxes.
Just put them on the table. I'm trying to clean the room.
Where did Emma want Jake to put the boxes? On the table. She wanted Jake to put them on the table. Why did Emma ask Jake to put them on the table? Because she was trying to clean the room. No problem. What's inside?
Old books and clothes. I want to donate them.
What did Jake ask Emma about the boxes? He asked her what was inside. Was there money inside the boxes? No, there wasn't money inside the boxes. What was inside the boxes? Old books and clothes. What did Emma want to do with the books and clothes? Donate them. She wanted to donate them. Did Emma want to give the old books and clothes for money? No, she didn't want to give them away for money. What did she want to do with them? She wanted to donate them. She wanted to give away books and clothes to poor people for free. That's a great idea. Do you need help taking them to the car? Did Jake think donating was a bad idea? No, he didn't. He thought it was a great idea. Did Jake offer to help Emma carry the boxes to the car? Yes, he did. He offered to help her.
Yes, please. That would be great.
What did Emma say when Jake offered to help? She said, "Yes, please, that would be great." All right, let's do it together.
Thanks, Jake. You're really helpful.
Anytime. What did Emma say to Jake to thank? She said, "Thanks, Jake, you're really helpful." How did Jake respond to Emma's thanks? He said, "Anytime." Part 4. Shadowing Practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Hey, Jake, can you give me a hand with these boxes? They're really heavy. Just put them on the table. I'm trying to clean the room. Old books and clothes. I want to donate them. Yes, please. That would be great. Thanks, Jake. You're really helpful.
Sure, where do you want them? No problem. What's inside? That's a great idea. Do you need help taking them to the car? All right, let's do it together. Anytime. Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys. Now, I recommend you watch this great video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it, I promise.